arbitration and conciliation. Seriya? Question number 1. Raghavi.
Yes, sir.
What does in short arbitration means?
Sir, it means setting the dispute outside the court. Generally, parties, if any dispute arises, they do not choose to go for court, as it may be time consuming and also consume a lot of money. So instead, they settle in through arbitrators.
Okay.
Court guided, but swift and easy method to settle disputes.
Okay. So we can say alternate.
Sorry, sir?
Alternate dispute resolution. Okay. Then
Okay, sir.
what is the advantages of this arbitration?
Cost is very low
Okay.
when compared to settling in court, and
Flexibility.
confidentiality would be
Confidentiality.
flexibility.
We can choose everything.
Yeah, you can choose the forum. Okay, you.
Choice the forum.
Yeah, you can choose your. Yeah, exactly. Judge also you can choose.
It is court guided, but without complete intervention of court,
Exactly.
which is good for all the parties.
Exactly.
Also, appeal procedures are also available, so
Yes.
we don't have to go to court, but we have appeal rights also.
Okay. So the judge is called dash
Arbitral
arbitral tribunal.
arbitral tribunal.
Yeah. So what things can be arbitrated? What cannot be arbitrated?
So only civil and legal crimes can be arbitrated. Illegal crimes cannot be arbitrated. They have to be.
Criminal things cannot be arbitrated. Whether arbitration can be only in India or international also is possible.
No, the international commercial arbitration is also available, but the party, but the tribunal, but the court which is guide panadu will be High Court.
Also, one party should be Indian party.
So either one of the parties should be in abroad. Okay, that's called international commercial arbitration. Okay, then what is arbitration agreement? What is submission?
Which is having
Second question.
the
Harini.
arbitration agreement.
Harini கேக்குதா? Hello. Harini. அடப்பாவி மொத்தமா போயிட்டான். Raghavi, tell me what is arbitration agreement?
It's a clause which is included in the contract. That is future that will be arbitration. So we are including prior while we are making a contract. It is called arbitration clause. Another thing is submission agreement. It is that is once the dispute arises, we will make an agreement. It is dispute agreement.
So if
That
we
is
already in our legal agreement, if we have,
So voice ரொம்ப break ஆகுது sir.
நீங்களே சொல்லுங்க ஆன்சர். என்ன ஏன் கேக்குறீங்க? நான் ராகவி ஆன்சர் சொல்ல சொன்னேன், ஐஸ்வர்யா சொல்றா.
Voice is break.
Sir, கேட்கல sir.
I asked Raghavi to tell the answer, but Aishwarya is telling the answer. You never expect me to tell the answer. You yourself will tell. Hey, கேக்குதா இல்லையாடா? Can you able to hear me or not?
Now it's clear.
Now it's clear sir.
Okay. Harini, you tell me what is submission clause?
Submission clause is like once they meaning there are two options. That is the contracting parties at the time of entering into the contract itself, if they had entered into the arbitration clause, or they can go for arbitration once they have committed any breach or default.
See, I asked very simple question, Harini. You told like no sambandhame illada answer. Very simple. Submission means in the arbitration means like we in our contract there is no arbitration clause. After the dispute arises, we are talking. That is called submission. When I am asking submission, you don't tell arbitration clause. You tell only submission. Okay. Then, Raghavi, what does party autonomy means?
party autonomy means secondary chancellor. It is up to the parties to appoint arbitrator.
Everything, not only arbitrator, they can choose everything.
Everything.
Okay. Then what does arbitration award means?
The final judgment of the result which the arbitrator gives is called arbitral award.
Okay. Vaishnavi.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Tell me, who is the judicial authority for arbitration?
Judicial authority for arbitration, for domestic arbitration, it is High Court, and for international commercial arbitration, it is Supreme Court.
No, actually, domestic arbitration it is district court. For international arbitration it is High Court. I will tell you what you are telling is who will choose the arbitrator. That's what you are telling.
How the arbitrators get
See, confuse ஆகக்கூடாது. There are two things here. See, இப்போ நீங்க லோக்கலா ஒரு arbitration you are doing வச்சுக்கோ. It will be guided by district court. புரிஞ்சுதா? Appeal.
Yes, sir.
Okay, Vaishnavi, can you able to understand? The appeal for the local arbitration is domestic arbitration is district court. Okay, who choose the arbitrator?
For domestic arbitration, High Court will choose the arbitrator, and for international commercial arbitration, Supreme Court will choose the
Okay, why should they choose? Can I not choose myself?
Yes, sir, but sometimes the parties may delegate the work of the
Exactly.
arbitrator to the
You should tell, sir, party autonomy is there, but sometimes the parties may not choose. They will ask High Court to choose. Sariya?
If there is any dispute between the parties in choosing the arbitrators,
Yeah.
they can approach court and appoint.
Yeah. Whether arbitration should be in writing? Vaishnavi, whether the arbitration should be in writing?
Yes, sir, it should be writing and signed by both the parties.
Can we have an email?
Yes, sir. Arbitration agreement through email is also accepted.
Okay. Whether both the parties should agree for arbitration or unilaterally I can
Yes,
go.
sir. No, sir, both the parties should agree for arbitration.
In case if the contract has two things and the first part is void, can we still go for arbitration in the second part?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Even if the main part of the agreement is void, arbitration still exists.
Okay. Whether the award given is final?
No, sir. There can be an interim award as well. When the dispute is taking longer time, interim award will be given, and after all the matters got settled, final award will be given. And the award can also, they can also go appeal against the award.
Okay. Harini, when the arbitration agreement will be terminated?
Sorry, sir?
When the arbitration agreement will be terminated?
It might be through mutual principal contract is completed and same is not renewed thereafter, and when the parties to the arbitration is deceased, and or if one party dies, then the other party can enforce through their legal representatives, and if any law force the contract to be legal or void in
So
void
death operation of law. Okay. Then who should be an arbitral tribunal? Who can be an arbitrator?
Any person who is capable of being entering into a contract can become an arbitrator, and yes, sir. So the parties can appoint arbitrators.
So any specific qualification?
Sorry, sir.
Any specific qualification?
Sir, I'm not able to hear you.
Any specific qualification?
specific.
He should be independent.
No specific qualifications, sir. Anyone can become arbitrator.
He should be having a knowledge of the matter, that's all. Can any institution be chosen as an arbitrator? Raghavi.
There are specific institutions, sir, like FICCI you mentioned.
Hmm.
So they can suggest arbitrators for us, and place can be decided mutually also.
Hmm. Then how many number of arbitrators you can have?
The minimum one, maximum can be any number.
What maximum, no limit.
Generally advised to have odd numbers.
Odd numbers.
Then what is the advantages of having arbitration, or what is the disadvantages?
The same out of the court settlement, so less time. And it is completely party autonomous, and then that such award can also be challenged. Disadvantage? No such disadvantage.
No, there are so many disadvantages. I will tell you.
People may not take it that seriously.
அப்படிலாம் இல்ல. Coordination will become difficult.
So voice won't be sorry.
Coordination will become. Ma, you should tell the answer. Why you are asking me to, making me to tell the answer? See, don't expect me to tell the answer itself. Voice break out on, because you are making me to tell the answer. That is why I am shouting. Voice is breaking. Coordination, timing ஒரு disadvantage இருக்கு. Vaishnavi,
Okay.
Yes, sir.
tell me the disadvantages.
Sir?
Disadvantages.
Disadvantages is lack of cooperation between both the parties, and generally it will take longer time for
Chi.
the final amount.
அடச்சை லாங்கர் டைம்ல எடுக்க முடியாது. Within 90 days they have to complete the arbitration.
90 days.
Okay, see, arbitral tribunal பிடிக்க முடியாது, புரிஞ்சுக்கோ. When we say that next week வரணும்னா அவன் வரமாட்டான். Sometimes he will not come. He will not be available.
Arbitrator will not be available.
Timings, coordination. Tell me procedure for appointment of arbitrator. Tell me procedure for appointment of arbitrator.
If only one arbitrator is to be appointed, then it can be done through mutual consent, mutually deciding.
Okay.
And if each party to the dispute appoint different arbitrators only, then those two arbitrators, they can decide to appoint another arbitrator, and that person will be the chief arbitrator.
Okay, Rajeshwari, next question is for you.
Yes, sir.
What is the requirement of an arbitral tribunal?
He should be independent, sir.
Okay.
First of all, both the parties, he should be a person capable of entering into the contract, and that person should be independent, and he should not be partial in his
Okay, there should not be any no biased approach.
Involvement.
Okay. You should be Indian now, or you should be
It can be of any nationality.
any nationality. Yeah.
It
Okay.
can be of any nationality.
Okay. On what grounds we can make a challenge?
Due to lack of independent.
Hey, wait. Rajeshwari. Harini, wait. I will ask Harini later. Harini, நீ நான் உன்னை அப்புறம் கேட்கிறேன், நிறைய கேட்டேன். ராஜேஸ்வரி சொல்லட்டும். ராஜேஸ்வரி
Yes, sir.
சொல்லு, என்ன கிரவுண்ட்ஸ்ல சேலஞ்ச் பண்ணலாம்?
If the judgment given by the arbitrator is not under the is not given under his independence, then any partiality is shown in the judgment. Then
See, the two parties are already related, okay? So there is no independence. There is already some relationship. Yeah. What kind of doubts that can be arise, like lack of independence? He can be an employee. He can be a legal advisor.
Relative.
He can be a relative, family member.
Then advocate of the firm.
Yeah. What is the duties and liabilities of arbitrator?
Duty of the arbitrator.
The arbitrator should keep the matters of the judgment
ஒரு
confidential.
நிமிஷம் வைஷ்ணவி அவளை சொல்ல விடு. அவ சொல்லலைன்னா நீ சொல்லு. ராஜேஸ்வரி ட்ரை.
First point வந்து confidentiality. Then duties confidentiality.
Time.
When the judge, sir,
Time.
he should given the judgment within 90 days.
Okay, you can tell without delay.
Then without any delay, unnecessary delay in judgment should be avoided. Then
Impartial.
characteristics தானே சார்?
இல்ல இதுதான் ஆர்பிட்ரல் ட்ரிபியூனல் வந்துட்டு எப்படி டியூட்டி, அவரோட டியூட்டி தான் இது. ஓகே, லீவ் இட். ஹரணி, யூ கண்டினியூ. ஹரணி.
Sir.
Yeah, continue. Duties of the arbitrator.
The parties, the arbitrator shall remain impartial and confidentiality has to be established. And this unilateral communication should not be there.
Should be avoided. Yeah, exactly. And then
he has to ensure that all the documents and communication relating to that matter has been obtained and communicated to both the parties involved in arbitration. And ensure that his judgment is complying with the laws and regulations.
okay. Vaishnavi, you tell me.
Both the parties.
Vaishnavi, you tell me when we will remove the arbitrator.
For removal of arbitrator, an arbitrator can resign voluntarily, or the parties may remove the arbitrators. Or if he becomes least bothered about the party or the case, he can be removed. And if he did not pass any judgment within 12 months of the arbitration process, he will be removed. When he becomes permanently sick, he will be removed.
He is engaged in any other professional work, also he can be removed. And if the parties decided to solve the issue without going for the arbitration,
Okay, done. Challenging also we already studied. Appeal poyache. Okay, what is the general principles? Vaishnavi.
Yes, sir.
General principle of challenging.
Sir.
Challenging that means appeal போறதுக்கு general principles.
General principles, lack of independence and
இல்ல
any
அது சொல்ல முடியாது. இல்ல அப்படி சொல்ல முடியாது. Agreed party can go for appeal. To whom he can go for appeal?
the original award.
To whom he can go for appeal? Within what time he should go for appeal?
Yes, sir. In the award, when the original award has been set aside or it has been modified.
டேய் ஏதோ உளறாத லூசு.
Or,
நான் என்ன கேக்குறேன், நீ என்ன சொல்லிட்டு இருக்க? நான் என்ன சொல்றேன்னா அப்பீல் போனோம்னா 4 பிரின்சிபல் இருக்கு. இப்போ வைஷ்ணவிக்கும் ஹரிணிக்கும் if there is a fight,
yes, sir.
who can go for appeal if the arbitration award is given? See, the party to arbitration only can go for appeal. Third party cannot come and appeal for you.
Yes, sir.
This is point number 1. Point number 2, to whom you can go for appeal?
If it is domestic arbitration, we can go with district court, or if it is international commercial arbitration, we can go with high court.
Timeline.
Within 3 months with an extension of 30 days.
Whether the already order given, no, that will be automatically stay, or you have to ask for stay.
No, sir, it will not automatically.
Okay, then tell me what are the types of awards?
Interim award, final award, and additional award.
Settlement award, additional award.
Yes, sir. Settlement.
Okay, when they are giving award, what are the things to be kept in mind?
Sir,
When they are giving arbitration award, what are the things to be kept in mind?
sir, majority of the arbitrators should authorize the award
Okay.
with proper reasons attached.
Mm.
The award should be capable of performing by the other party.
Mm.
The award does not be vague.
Mm.
It should be delivered to the parties.
Mm. They should give the reason why they are given that award.
Yes, sir.
Next.
Shall not be favoring.
Yeah,
legal.
it is not illegal, it is not favoring one person. Then,
It should be within the limit of the game,
yeah.
not done anything.
What is conciliation?
It is a process of negotiation between the parties.
Yeah.
Conciliator is a one who gives guidance or negotiates the issue.
Okay, what he will do?
Basically, he will go to the parties and he can motivate the party to sacrifice either of the party to sacrifice, or or can encourage the party to come for settlement.
He will go to and fro between the parties actually.
So the conciliator is the one who actually meets the party,
Yeah.
disputing parties.
What are the characteristics of conciliation?
Conciliation is basically similar to the process of mediation. There will be an agreement between the parties, whereas in conciliation there will be settlement between the parties. And in conciliation there will be an outcome like a civil court order, that is the settlement, and confidentiality has to be maintained. And both the parties has to agree for conciliation, and parties in dispute, the party autonomy is also there in conciliation. And same thing, the settlement should be capable of performing. The settlement is basically the finality that is being achieved.
What is difference between mediation and conciliation?
Mediation, both are similar, but
Vaishnavi? Vaishnavi?
so she
Exited? அதை வெயிட் பண்ணிட்டு இருக்கா லூஸ் ஏவால ராகவி சொல்லு.
There will be agreement between the parties, but in conciliation the outcome will be the settlement between the parties.
See, இப்போ மீடியேஷன் பாத்தீங்கன்னா மோஸ்ட்லி ஏதோ ஒரு நெகோசியேஷன்ல ஓடும், கான்சிலியேஷன்னா ஏதோ ஒரு செட்டில்மெண்ட்ல ஓடும். ஓகே, ஸோ இப்போ வந்துட்டு இப்போ ராஜேஸ்வரி அண்ட் ஹரணி இஸ் ஃபைட்டிங் ஃபார் த அமௌண்ட் செட்டில்மெண்ட். Then it will be mediated. Some panchayat side. Conciliation is like a win-win situation. See, you should come out with your own situation. Like no, நீங்களே அமைதிக்கு வந்துடணும். Conciliation like no, you people yourself will decide now. Mediation means I will enter and decide. மீடியேட்டர்னு சொல்லுவாங்கல்ல, அவங்க உள்ள புந்து விளையாடுவாங்க. இவங்க வந்துட்டு they will come to a solution. Like no, you yourself you will come to a solution.
Yes, sir.
So you will come to a settlement. Here you will come to an agreement. Mediation la agreement வருவீங்க. Conciliation you will come to a settlement.
But conciliation husband and wife example எழுதிக்கலாமா?
Yeah, example எழுதிக்கோ. கிட்டத்தட்ட அந்த மாதிரி தான் இருக்கும்.
எழுதலாம்.
Yeah. But we will not bring that husband and wife here because that will be a social agreement. Here we will talk about only legal things.
And breach of mediation is the breach of contract.
See, mediation is like agreement, contract act, civil procedure and the மாதிரி வரும். Conciliation is more of arbitration. Can you able to understand? Mediation வந்துட்டு it's like a agreement, contract act, breach of contract, civil court procedures அந்த மாதிரி போகும் mediationக்கு.
Yes, sir.
Okay.
Conciliation is related to arbitration.
Yeah. So
சார் அப்போ மீடியேஷன்ல வந்து ஒரு பார்ட்டி வின் பண்ணுவாங்க, இன்னொரு பார்ட்டி கண்டிப்பா அந்த
exactly somebody will be losing. Like no, but even though
ஆனா கான்சிலியேஷன்ல
see mediation somebody will be losing சொல்ல முடியாது. They will come out to a mutual settlement, like mutual agreement வருவாங்க. சரி இப்படி பண்ணு அப்படினு சொல்லிட்டு.
ஓகே.
Conciliationல நீங்களாவே வந்துருவீங்க. See, I will not give a solution. I will make you to give a solution. The disputing party themselves will come to a solution.
Yes, sir.
Okay, understood, sir.
Okay. So with this we completed this. It's actually very a small act. Yeah, or 5-6 questions தான் இந்த ஆக்ட்ல இருந்து கேட்க முடியும். As of now, just go through this. Tomorrow or day after we will see the FCRA.
Okay, sir.
Yes, sir.
FCRA.
CRA, sir.
FCRA. Foreign Content. See you. Bye bye.